Another important aspect of building is that we want to make sure that the house is completely drive-in. And what that means is when all the doors are here, windows, etc., we want to have everything installed so that if it rains, there's no penetration of water, moisture, etc. Most HVAC contractors will require for the house to be drive-in before they can start their work. So we have our doors, we have our slider, we have our windows, but we are needing to install them and complete that process. That is soon to come.